A conflict in Uganda have been granted reparations after a landmark ruling by the 4 judges of the International Crime Division. Now, victims of different forms of violence, including gender-based violence, were given cash awards of different amounts as redress to the injustice meted against them. Here's more details of that in this report.
The ruling read by 4 judges of the International Crimes Division awarded all victims of atrocities committed under Thomas Coelho a symbolic award of $1,100. Households that lost their properties, such as houses and animals, will receive about $950. Victims of sexual and gender-based crimes will receive $1,400 each. Families who want to exhume and give their loved ones who died in the violence a decent burial will receive about $820. The decision is a historic milestone because it is the first time reparations for victims of war crimes and crimes against humanity have been ordered by a domestic court.
Justice doesn't just mean going to court and getting a judgment in your favor, but it means seeing some sort of material redress. So if someone probably lost their arms or legs, probably getting some medical help. If someone has bullet or bomb fragments in their body, having a surgical procedure to remove those could be some sort of justice. If someone missed out on education opportunities, a chance to get vocational training or a chance for their children to go to school would be some form of redress. I mean, think about these children born of war, children born of sexual violence. A chance for them to recover their identity or to get national identity cards could be a form of redress towards them overcoming the evil that happened to them.
Thomas Coelho was sentenced to 40 years in prison after being found guilty of crimes including murder, torture, rape, and kidnapping. Only victims who suffered from those crimes will be eligible for reparations. The court argues that under international law, the payment of reparations is placed on the convict. But since Thomas Coelho is not able to pay, that obligation will be placed on the state under the theory of collective